Can you really learn to sing at home without a vocal coach? Well, the affirmative answer is yes. You can learn to sing at home even without a vocal coach. Yes, with the right practice, you can do it. Now, in today's video, I'm going to share with you tips that can help you learn to sing at home. Now, even if you do not have a keyboard, even if you do not have money for training, and even if you feel like you're not naturally talented, I am going to teach you ways you can learn singing at home. And also, I am going to share tips that some people or most people do not talk about. So make sure you watch around till the end. You see that attitude of just singing? You have to stop it. Yes, stop just singing and start training. Yes, the mistakes that singers make is they just start singing and they just expect it to come out fine. No, you have to train. Just singing is not practice, it is performance. Now, if you really want to excel in singing very properly, you need to train by dividing your sections just like this. You can do 5 minutes of warm up, 5 minutes of vocal exercises, 10 minutes of practice sections with singing, and then 5 minutes trying to fix those problems that arose while you sang. You see, that structure alone will change your growth. Now, this will mean that you have to record yourself during these practice sessions and then ask yourself, was I flat? Did I string? Did I go off? Now, that self feedback is your free vocal coach. Now, you have to train your ear and not just your voice. Yes, people think that singing is just about your voice. It's actually about your ears. Now, if you can't hear yourself when you're off key, you won't be able to fix it. Now, there are piano apps everywhere. So play a random note from a piano app and try humming that exact note. Do this accurately for 5 minutes daily and your pitch accuracy will increase to another level. Use the whisper method to reduce tension. Yes, this is different. Instead of you belting loudly, just try singing softly at first, like a whisper, but with support. If you can sing it softly and controlled, then you can sing it loudly and high. Now, most people make the mistake of shouting high notes. Why they do that is because they never tried to sing it softly at first. So, practice high notes gently. Start softly at first and then go louder. Control first, power later. Control first, power later. Next, you have to practice in front of a mirror. This might sound simple, but it's very powerful. Now you have to watch out. While you sing, while you're facing the mirror, is your neck tight? Are your shoulders raised? Is your jaw locked? Now let your mirror be your technique checker. Now while facing your mirror, place one hand on your stomach and inhale. Now, if your chest is rising too much, then you are not supporting properly. Try again. Make sure that it is your belly that expands and not your chest. Next, use the 30-day song method. What do I mean by this? Instead of you to sing 20 songs badly, why don't you learn singing one song in 30 days? Now, by the end of these 30 days, you would have achieved something very exceptional, like a performance. Now, how do you do this? Week 1, you have to learn the lyrics and the melody. Week 2, fix the breathing problems. Week 3, work on the emotion and the dynamics, while week 4, you have to perform it like a concert. Now, by day 30, you sound completely different and your growth comes from depth and not quantity. Next, you have to train your speaking voice. Your singing voice is connected to your speaking voice. So you need to learn how to speak properly. So while at home, practice speaking well. You can take out a book, read aloud, clear pronunciation, clear tone, and just learn to speak properly. When you can speak properly, clearly, loudly, then you can sing properly gradually with time. At home, practice speaking clearly and confidently. You can bring out a book and read out a paragraph out loud daily. No throat tension, good pronunciation, good technique. Okay, now if you can master this daily, then you can gradually increase in your singing voice. Stronger speaking, stronger singing foundation. And lastly, you have to stop comparing your raw voice to studio voices. Why? Because studio voices are already edited, compressed, layered, and tuned. Your raw voice has not gone through those processes. So you can't be comparing yourself to studio voices. What you need to be comparing yourself is yourself. Think, was I better than this last month? Was I better than this last week? That should be your only competition. If you can really practice these techniques that are just put forward to you, then you will be able to gradually learn singing at home and you will excel very well. Now, if you like this video, please do well to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video for more vocal tips. Bye!